こんにちは。私の名前はあかりです。Hello, I'm Akari. I'm teaching Japanese online for 3 years. Today, to introduce myself, I like to introduce one of my favorite places in Kyoto, Japan. This is Kamo River. When I have free time, I come to this Kamo Riverside with my bike and relax. I like sound of the river and I like the scenery. It's very peaceful. If you go up to this street, you can reach to Shimogamo Shrine, World Heritage. And if you go down to this street to south, you can reach to downtown area and Gion area too. And if you are lucky, you can see Michael walking on the street. I like traveling, I like sports, I like culture, I like history. So we have lots of topics to talk about. I'm looking forward to talking with you. またね